I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. I'm giving a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the nicest one. You got to subscribe to the channel. Go to Twitter. Follow at cryptobtc_Chris. If you go down to the description of this video, there's a TikTok link. You got to follow me on TikTok. Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin pullback. Every day we've had this same discussion. Bounce level, losses level. This is not bullish. This is not a bullish chart. All the sellers are stacked here. Until this level is regained by the bulls, I don't really want to talk about anything bullish. But we're going to zoom in, lower term time frames. This is a 4-hour chart. Last night, right after I got done with the video, I found some news, and I knew this was going to be an easy short trade for the group. And I posted Solana 3x short based on this idea. But previously, understand how this market works, where when you have a support level, this means all the buyers are here. Okay, so when this level breaks, but then the bulls regain it, that's a good sign of strength. And so these are bear traps. And so after a bear trap, you get an explosive move to the upside. Okay, and that's what happens. And I would love to see a bear trap again just to give me a buy idea for Bitcoin. But I drew it as a descending triangle yesterday, and I posted in group right here. 64% chance this breaks lower with the circle, with the target that it hit. Bang it. You've got to understand how this market works. And you have to play the percentages. It's like going to Vegas. When you go to Vegas, Vegas has an edge. They're going to win. Vegas was not built on winners. It's built on losers. And so you'll have a trading strategy. Keep following the channel. You'll have a trading strategy where you just follow the percentages. Over time, you make a ton of money, period. You have to detach yourself emotionally from this market. Everybody's like, oh, this is going to change the world. This is it. This is... oh, DeFi is going to change the world. Oh, metaverse is going to change the world. You think anybody cares about altcoins right now because they're getting wrecked? But the best part is they're going to bounce hard when Bitcoin bounces. So we talked about previously how this level has to break to the upside. And again, it's 32,000, right? This is a ton of work the bulls need to do. This level down here is support. 28,500 needs to hold. Otherwise, you see a move to 28,000. 27,150, 26,000, 25,500. So this level has to hold for the bulls, period. Make sure to watch the video all the way to the very end because we're going to talk about a lot of economic data that immediately I knew to short this market last night based on CPI data. We're going to talk about it in just a second. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person joined the group 2 weeks ago, decided to dive into the learning videos and study them. And when he applied the methodology that I teach in the videos, he had an aha moment. He's thanked us, and he said the last 2 weeks with his short trades, he was up $58,000 in one trade, $4,500, $3,400, $3,800, $18,000, $1,600. He's at $149,000 with $77,000 in profits while everybody else is getting wrecked. It took a while to commit to your group, he said, but I couldn't be happier. And I'm telling you guys, this is the biggest opportunity you've ever seen right in front of you right now to learn how to trade this market. You want to quit working? You want to take control of your life? I can help you. This person, we're making money trading the market both ways. If you can't do this right now, what are you doing? Holding a bunch of coins to lose money. Right? This person, $10,332 trade, 50% profits, learning more and more from the group and getting more confident. This person, bam, you're killing it with your analysis, 137% short on Bitcoin. I called the exact move. Banger Central. Then I've got the top traders in the group posting the bangers, 33%, 34%, 42%, 27%, 36%. This is all in one day. What are you doing if you're not making money in this market? You're losing money. I can help you. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to their website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I saw this last night right after the video. S&P 500 has declined on the day of the CPI report, which is the inflation report. And I said, hey, it's going to be released tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Right? And I already knew this was going to be bad. And I posted easy short trade because CPI data is going to be very negative, and drew the circle, the target circle. 64% chance it breaks lower. Easy short trade, CPI data, banging. Then inflation came out. It's up 8.6% in May. This is the highest since 1981. Do the math on that. 41 years, highest inflation ever. At every FOMC meeting, they're going to raise the rates. Now, the Fed has to be hawkish because they're getting their teeth kicked in with inflation. They have to raise the rates a decent amount. They're talking about 50 basis points. They don't do any more than that, then you'll see the stock market get completely destroyed. And so pay attention to these. It's never been so easy to trade this market because it's directly correlated with what's happening in the stock market. I mean, and this is how I knew the CPI data was bad, right? Because I looked into like food, gas, energy. Everything's up. Oil. Go fill up your car and see if it's up. The amount of money that it costs to live has grown at the fastest pace in 31 years. So the inflation, even though wages are going up, inflation is outpacing the wage increase. And I posted the United States economy is getting wrecked. The Fed started QT, which is quantitative tightening. They're raising the rates every FOMC meeting. This is not good for stocks and not good for crypto. Crypto is correlated to the stock market. It's following the stock market until it doesn't. Quantitative tightening. You guys realize what this is? This is a monetary policy tool that's applied by central banks to decrease the amount of liquidity or money supply in the economy. So essentially, the government is clearing its balance sheet. It's selling its assets, and it's pushing the prices down in the market. The Fed is selling its assets and it's dropping the prices. They're tightening the money supply. They're raising interest rates. This is terrible for the stock market. And crypto's following the stock market. You have to see what's right in front of you. I posted this Solana trade yesterday, bull pennant, 20% gains on a short. Everybody else is losing money, you make 20%. You've got to learn how this market works and how to trade this market both ways. S&P E-mini futures. As soon as I saw this pattern, I said, man, there's a 64% chance that this breaks to the downside in group. Got completely destroyed. Now it's down here at the support level, but could go lower. But it's important, like some type of relief bounce up into this level right here. But again, you get a rejection, this breaks lower, you're looking for lower prices out of the S&P 500. Right? This is the E-mini futures, but they're directly correlated, and this is open almost all the time. Now, the U.S. Treasury Secretary Yellen advises against Bitcoin for retirement savings. She says, it's too risky. It's too risky. Mrs. Yellen, who works for the banks, she's gotten paid hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars to speak to the banks. Now she's advising people not to. It's a terrible retirement savings vehicle. Well, you know what? Rich people get rich because they take risks and they invest your money. You're not going to get rich on a wage or a salary. You have to invest, period. So Janet Yellen obviously doesn't see the vision that we do. Understand that this price is not always correlated with the value of the asset. So Bitcoin's got tremendous upside going forward, but right now it's a bear market. Right now, everybody who's bullish is getting their teeth kicked in. Everybody who's holding coins is getting their teeth kicked in. That's why I don't hold coins on downtrends, and we talk about this all the time. Fidelity has enabled a Bitcoin option for 401k. Fidelity. 23,000 companies use Fidelity to administer their retirement plans. They have $11 trillion in assets under administration. So what's going to happen here is people are going to buy a bunch of Bitcoin, and Janet Yellen's going to be laughed at. She works for the banks. Well, good luck with the banks, the banking system, while we all get rich. So don't get down on yourself. If you take some losses, subscribe to this channel. I can help you. Banging. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.